Wes loves is he loves basketball, he loves Marvel for sure, he loves his friends and his family, but even at that age, he loved you, Bella. Fall of 2015, and you told me, you said, I'm gonna date her and I'm gonna marry her. So we got in the car one day and I made sure on my playlist in my car I had One Direction, and I looked back there and you started singing. And then at that moment forward, you started talking, and I saw it. I saw what Wes saw in you, and I saw that you were perfect for him.
From a young age, I have been infatuated with love stories. From fairy tales, books, movies, and shows, love stories have always been my favorite. When I was in middle school, I remember sitting in my bedroom, wishing that I would one day, I will have the same story of marrying my high school sweetheart. Little did I know, I would meet mine in middle school. Every day, I thank God for the boy who walked up to my locker in 8th grade. I'm so thankful you never gave up on me. After all these years, you are still the best person I have ever had the privilege of knowing. Wes, you make me want to be a better person. Every single day, the light you put out into this world is absolutely radiating, and I will forever be in awe of your heart. I could stand here and go on and on about all the reasons I love you, but I don't think it would ever amount to how much I truly do. My best friend, my soulmate, I love you.
Yeah, from what? Sure, 3, 2, 3. Bye. Hi. Oh my gosh. That's gorgeous. I love you. Ever since the day I met you in 8th grade, I felt like there was something different about you, something I couldn't quite pinpoint right away, but I knew that I wanted to figure it out. As time went on, I started to realize that I could be more and more myself around you, more than I could with anyone else. Over time, there was periods where we would start to drift apart, and I would just feel lost, and it seemed like I was stumbling through life aimlessly, until we would find our way back towards each other, and somehow our relationship always felt stronger than before. So I vow to always be working on myself and our relationship, not just between each other, but also our relationship with God, through whom I know that we can overcome anything and everything thrown our way. I love you. Clearly.
Her left hand.
Yeah.
Now, by the power invested in me, some internet guys in the state of Washington, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Wesley, kiss that girl. Woo! It is with great honor that I have the privilege of introducing for the first time Mr. and Mrs. Wesley Allen Dalton.
Alone. I was just a shadow waiting on a spark when I saw your face, like my past erase. Now every day you got me glowing in the dark. Can't you feel the friction? I'm on fire, baby, destined desire, baby. They call it fire, baby. That's what you do. Was cold. we feel is almost real. I can see the answer looking in your eyes. Can you feel the friction? I'm on fire, baby, dancing desire, baby. They call it fire, baby, that's what you do. My bitter heart was colder, you came and pulled me closer. Now we're on fire, baby, like we were meant to. I'm on burn for you. Can you feel the friction? Can you feel it in my chest? We're on fire, baby. It's climbing